नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू पीपीटी न्यूज चैनल. दिस इज योर own English news channel where we bring your every latest news of your local area. PPT News aim is to make your area's voice reach the world. We bring to you news related to your area, administrative updates, and every small and big information of public interest in a simple and accurate manner. Our specialty is correct, unbiased, and latest information. Whether it is development loans of your area, social issues, or special events of your area, PPT News is always with you. All cooperative societies of the district will be modernized. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma. Financial system will be improved by linking them with income related services. Charkhi Dadri. Along with giving micro loans to the cooperative societies, their financial system will be improved by linking them with income related services. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said this while addressing the meeting of the District Cooperative Development Committee on Wednesday. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that present the work of microloans and fertilizer distribution to farmers is in through cooperative societies. The government will now also operate services like CSC Center, petrol pump, Jan Aushadhi Center, grain storage, etc. through cooperative society, due to which the income of the cooperative society will also increase and the financial system will also improve. Apart from this, all the cooperative societies of the district will be modernized and made online so that the facilities given to the farmers can be made available on time. On this occasion, Additional Deputy Commissioner Vishwajit Chaudhary, Deputy Director of Animal Husbandry Department Dr. Jaswant June, ARCS Parveen Kumar, and officers of various departments were present. The people of Dadri constituency will soon get on gift of Bound Kala became Sub Tahsil Kala of Charkhi Dadri district and Sub Tahsil to Chapar. After this demand made before the CM, the Revenue Commissioner and Additional Chief Secretary, Haryana Government Revenue and Disaster Management has sent a letter to Charkhi Dadri District Deputy Commissioner and has showed its recommendation through the Divisional Commissioner. According to the information received at around 4 p.m. on Tuesday, MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan had demanded the Chief Minister to give the status of subdivision to Baunkala and Sub Tahsil to Chapar village. After which the Revenue Commissioner and Additional Chief Secretary, Haryana Government Revenue and Disaster Management has sent a letter to Charkhi Dadri District Deputy Commissioner and has asked to ensure that clear comments are sent to the department's email through the Divisional Commissioner so that further action can be taken. MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan said that before the elections he had promised the people of the development of Dadri. He is constantly trying to fulfill this and is meeting the CM and concerned officials to get them completed. He this series the demand for giving a status of subdivision to Baunkala and Sub Tahsil to Chapar was placed before the CM and soon he will give them status and give a gift to the residents of continuancy. He said that development of Dadri is his first priority, and he will always be ready for the development of the constituency. So stay tuned with us. Subscribe to PPT News channel to see every news of your area. First, press the bell icon because this is your local voice, global reach. Please tell us in the comments how you like our news and which news related to your area you want to see. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. See ya. Namaskar.